To use Sora 2 app on iPhone, the first thing that you need to do is go to Safari and go ahead and search for sora.chatgpt.com. And then afterwards, you can now go ahead and go to the login options and click on the login options once again, once you are directed to the option. Or you can just go ahead and click on the try it first if you are a first timer or a beginner user for the Sora AI. So you have to remember that Sora AI is not going to be downloadable to the iTunes or App Store if you're in the Philippines, but you can access it to the Safari, Chrome, or Google. And now, as you can see, I am now adding some prompts. And then once you have already added some prompts, you can just go ahead and fill on the necessary details that is needed so that you will be able to see all the necessary animations or videos that you wanted to do or use. Now you can go ahead and enjoy the Sora AI to the Safari, but again, you can't download it using your mobile phone.